Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in Estoril Blue. This vehicle features the full BMW M Sport Plus package alongside a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. You'll see that it is of course a facelift vehicle, so we've got that really sharp facelifted front end, and I'll point out the rest of the facelift items shortly. It includes a set of brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloys. Sitting very nice and neatly behind those, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes as part of that full package. Down the side of the car, as well as being a very clean and tidy example, you'll see the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and of course the sun protection glazing as part of that Plus package once again. The interior is one of my personal favourites within the leather package. It has got the M Highlight Dakota leather. Also includes heated and electric movement and memory for driver's side. So you can see that really nice blue stitching throughout, as well as the M tricolour stripes as well. In terms of interior options, you'll see again, thanks to the M Plus package, the Harman Kardon. Being the 435D does include the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, working really well alongside that X-Drive four-wheel drive system of course. For rear passengers, you're going to find that's a very spacious, very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench, central folding armrest, and the darkened M Sport headlining. Showing you off those 20-inch wheels once again before we hop round to the back of the car to of course show you off the facelifted LED rear lights. We've gone for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser on this vehicle. And everything is exceptionally clean and tidy once again around at the back of the car. If you've not yet seen the Gran Coupe boot space, you'll be very pleasantly surprised. It's a very big area. Split folding seats are also come as standard. You also have the option to remove both bottom and top partial shelves. Round onto the driver's side, we can again of course show you off that this is an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle. And also the Estoril Blue works exceptionally well with all of those additions ourselves have made. We shall now go ahead, take a seat inside this vehicle and begin with showing you some of the wonderful extras. There you can see the memory controls. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a really nice professional wide navigation and media screen. Starting with the multimedia, you do of course have a DAB listing along with music collection. There is also a USB and AUX input alongside a Bluetooth audio of course. However, this vehicle also has another option in the form of the Apple CarPlay function, which is of course really great. If you've not yet used one, it does of course mean that you simply pair your phone with it and it'll shine up onto the screen the same format that your Apple home screen will be on your devices. Really useful tool. It does also mean that this vehicle can read out your text messages for you. In terms of the sat-nav, the BMW system is absolutely incredible. It's the most user-friendly system on the market. It also uses real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. In terms of the climate control, it is of course dual, and there is the switches for these wonderful heated seats. This car's covered just over 30,000 miles. And we'll now go through and show you its service requirements and history. Engine oil, you can see it's not due a service for 10,000 miles time, and at service history there is both the pre-delivery inspection service and the first service as well. Bearing in mind of course the BMWs do run on that longer life service intervals every 20,000 miles or 2 years. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around. I do of course hope you found it useful. If you would like some more information on this vehicle, I will of course leave links for you down below in the description to follow through to our website. And again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourself soon. Take care. Bye bye.